Looking for a small SUV that lasts for years without drama? These 7 subcompact SUVs are the most reliable picks of 2025. Number 7. Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is one of the most budget-friendly and dependable SUVs you can buy right now. It doesn't try to be flashy or off-road ready, but it nails the basics: low maintenance, excellent fuel economy, and long-term reliability. Starting at around $23,000, it's one of the most affordable SUVs. Owners love that it rarely gives trouble even after years of use, and maintenance costs are among the lowest in the segment. The interior is bigger than it looks, with good rear seat space and a decent cargo hold. Tech is simple but effective. A big touchscreen, smartphone connectivity, and standard safety features like automatic emergency braking. And here's the best part: you can squeeze nearly 36 mpg on the highway. Number 6. Subaru Crosstrek. If you deal with snow, rain, or rough backroads, the Crosstrek is the one you want. Subaru's standard all-wheel drive and solid ground clearance make it way more capable than most subcompact rivals. Reliability is where it shines, too. Owners regularly push Crosstreks past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Inside, it's comfortable and practical, with enough room for road trips and camping gear. Fuel economy is decent, and if you go for the hybrid, it's even better. Sure, it's not the fastest SUV out there, but that's not why people buy it. They buy it because it's safe, durable, and built to last in any weather. That's why the Crosstrek is one of the most trusted names in this class. Number 5. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona proves that small doesn't mean boring. It's stylish, fun to drive, and packed with value. But more importantly, it's incredibly reliable. Hyundai has been on a roll in dependability ratings, and the Kona is part of that success. The engines are proven, the electronics rarely fail, and long-term owner surveys show very few complaints. Inside, the Kona feels more premium than you'd expect at its price. The cabin design is modern, the infotainment system is easy to use, and safety tech comes standard. It's small, yes, but it drives more like a nimble hatchback than a bulky SUV. For anyone who wants sharp looks, low running costs, and reliability baked in, the Kona is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Mazda CX-30. Mazda has a reputation for making cars that feel upscale without the luxury badge, and the CX-30 is a perfect example. It's sporty, elegant, and fun to drive, but it's also one of the most reliable subcompact SUVs on the market. Consumer Reports consistently ranks Mazda near the top in reliability, and the CX-30 has been a standout. Owners report very few engine or transmission problems, and the build quality is excellent. Driving it feels different from most rivals. The steering is sharp, the handling is tight, and you actually look forward to driving it. Inside, it punches above its class with a near-luxury cabin, soft-touch materials, and a minimalist design. If you want something that's not just reliable, but also feels a bit special every time you drive it, the CX-30 checks every box. Number 3. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Corolla Cross takes everything that makes the Corolla sedan one of the best-selling cars in history: reliability, efficiency, low costs, and puts it into an SUV body. This SUV is still fairly new, but it's already proving just as tough as the Corolla name promises. It's not the flashiest SUV, but it's simple, practical, and efficient. The hybrid version gives outstanding fuel economy, while the gas model still sips fuel compared to most rivals. Inside, it's straightforward. The tech works every time, the seats are comfortable, and nothing feels overcomplicated. If your main goal is a reliable SUV that won't surprise you with repair bills, the Corolla Cross is one of the safest bets you can make.
Number 2. Honda HR-V. Honda has built its reputation on reliability, and the HR-V keeps that tradition alive. It's been one of the most dependable small SUVs for years, and the 2025 model is no different. Owners often report these running smoothly, well past 150,000 miles, with low-cost maintenance compared to rivals. Honda's engines and transmissions are engineered to last, and the HR-V benefits from that reliability DNA. Inside, the HR-V is a masterclass in practicality. The rear magic seat system lets you fold and flip the seats in ways that make the cargo area incredibly flexible, something you won't find in most competitors. And while it's not the most powerful SUV in the group, it's comfortable, efficient, and has Honda's reputation behind it. That's why the HR-V continues to be a top pick for buyers who want peace of mind. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. Yes, technically the RAV4 sits in the compact class, but it's so reliable and so often cross-shopped by subcompact buyers that it deserves the number 1 spot here. The RAV4 has dominated reliability rankings for years. Toyota's engines and transmissions in this SUV are known to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. The hybrid model makes it even better, combining Toyota's bulletproof hybrid tech with excellent fuel savings. Add in top resale value, huge dealer support, and strong safety ratings. And the RAV4 is basically the gold standard for long-term dependability. If your top priority is a small SUV you can trust for a decade or more, the RAV4 is the one to beat.